I tested a $5 steak versus a $50 steak, and one of them is not worth it. Which one do you think it is? Don't lie. Starting with the $5 steak. Okay, so I'm back and this is what I got. This is a ham steak and this cost $3.25. And I also decided to chip in a bag of fries because why not? This fries cost about $1.25. Everything costs about $4.05. So we didn't even get to $5. Okay, so this is the ham steak and this is what it looks like. It looks good, I'm not gonna lie, but let's see if it's really worth it. In as much as it's a cheap steak, we still want to build flavor just like we would for a premium cut, and that's why I'm gonna give it a good sear and then butter baste it. Remember, this is a ham, so we're building that sweet buttery glaze just like we do for a Thanksgiving ham. I mean, does anyone like a savory ham? And guys, I did not expect this to happen. Yeah, we definitely had a few burns here and there, but I would rather have a burnt hand and a perfect steak than a safe hand and a bad steak. We're done with our $5 steak, so let's see what $50 can get you. We're back and this is what a $50 steak looks like. It cost me about $49.6. Yeah. This is my tomahawk steak. I was going to name him Bobby. So we're gonna pat him dry with some paper towel. And let me tell you guys something. This is my first time cooking with a tomahawk steak. So I actually can't wait to, do that. So we're gonna go in with some oil, just so the seasonings can stick. Can you see that? I'm gonna go in with a good amount of salt. We're gonna do this on both sides and every part of it. A good amount of fresh cracked black pepper. Whatever. A good amount of black pepper. This steak is about 2 inches thick. Some steak seasoning. Like I said, I don't like no bland steak. Because, I don't believe there's any such thing as an over-seasoned steak. I've never seen that before, and I don't think I'll ever see that in my life. When you're done seasoning your steak, it should look something like this. If yours doesn't look like this, you need to go and re-season it. Is that clear? I love it. We're gonna let this bad boy rest for a few minutes while we start getting the grill ready. Okay, so it's ready. How do you think I did? Let's cut into that bad boy. Ooh, guys. What do you think is gonna be? Let's find out. That right there is a perfect medium rare. Like, can you see that? Let me put that there. So now we're gonna cut our ham steak. Do you think it's a medium or a medium rare? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna start with the $50 steak. $5 steak right here. Juice. This is our $50 steak and this is our $5 steak. Would you call this a medium or a medium rare? Yeah, I think I'm gonna call that a medium rare. Yeah, why not? Okay, so I'm gonna taste both. So I'm gonna start with the $5 steak. Cheers. It's sweet. And next is our $50 steak. Flavorful. For the prices, because like this is $5 and I don't know if it's worth it. And this $50, I still don't know if it's worth it. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Which one do you think is actually worth it? And that's it for today, family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye, family. Mwah.